Out of all the things I keep in my beach bag, this is number one. Watch this in action. And when your kid's at the beach and it looks like this and it's time to go, this thing is amazing. Gets off even that really hard to get off sand. If I were to just use a towel and try to wipe it off, I could do it, but it would probably start bothering her. But watch this. Now that that's on, it's just so easy. So there's gently kind of wipe down with this. So many different methods. I find it's easier just to smack it, really get some powder on there, and then just use a towel and wipe it. But it totally gets all that sand off without your kids complaining. So it's great.
Do I need new socks?
No.
But there's socks in here. Look. Look, Mom.